Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can set up and how you can use your NordPass account. So let's begin the video. I have just installed this app from my app store. You can install this from app store or your play store. Now here you have two options, create account and login. So if you are new here, just simply click on create account, and if you already have an account here, so simply login. I will just go with create an account. Here you can sign up with your Google ID or your Apple ID, or you can use here your email address. In the bottom you can see this option switch to dark mode, you can do that. And here you can also change your language, you can see a different language option, you can select any. Now here you have to create a master password. This is the password that you will need when you have to log into your account. So here you have to create a good one. Make sure that the letters are must 9, and here you can also choose any special symbol to make it strong. Now here confirm your password. And here you can also add a face ID if you want to. And now here you can add your passwords manually, but it will take a lot of time, so you can save your time and you can import these passwords from your Google Chrome, or you can import from other tools as well. I will skip that for now. Here you can see that our account has been created, and here you can see we have these some options called add atom and import. Here you can add atoms manually, or you can import from Google Chrome or from other tools. Now here if I go and if I click on add atoms, now here you have passwords, secure notes, credit cards, personal information and folders. You can add here anything. I will just go with password for now. Now here you have to write a title for your password. Here you can write like Facebook password, Instagram password, any app's password that you want to save here. Then here you have to write the username, your Insta or Facebook username. Like for example, if I go and face right here Guide Glimpse, for example, you have to write here the username that you have on your Facebook or Instagram account. Then here you have to write the password of your account for saving. Now as you are writing the password, they will show you if it's weak, moderate or very strong, so you can go with very strong. And here you can also create passwords with the help of this node. After writing all this information, you can save. Now here you can see that we have successfully added password. You can see this Facebook password, you can see the details, the password, the username and all the things here. That was all about the password of the apps. Like if you want to save your credit information, your bank information, how you can do that. Here you have this credit option, you can click on that. Now here you have to write the title, the card holder name and card number, and the expiry date and the CVV and the card pin, and of course the zip and postal code. And here you can also add any file if it's necessary. After adding all this information, you can save the card. And here you can see that I have added the card and the password successfully. With the help of this node, you can fill online form successfully. So here, for that you have to go and you have to follow these steps. Let's suppose that you have lost this account with all the important passwords in. So how you can recover that? For that you can set a recovery code that will help you recover easily. For creating one, just you have to click on this get account recovery code. Now here you have to write your master code that you have added in the start. And now you can see your recovery code, and from here you can copy or you can download as PDF. And similarly, you can also use this VPN on your desktop. For that, you just have to go to your desktop and you can download that. Let's talk about the other features that we have in this Node VPN. Here you have these passwords where you can see all your passwords. And similarly, you also have here these passkeys where you can see your passkeys, and these secure notes where you can add your notes. You can also scan here notes or you can add the files. And similarly, here you have this credit card as I showed you earlier how you can add one. And here you can also add your personal information. And here you have these shared items where you can see the shared items. And here you can see the folders and the trash where all the deleted things will appear. And here you also have some other features like password generator where you can generate a password. For that, here you have to select the length first, how many characters you want. If you want 20, 30, 8, you can do that. After choosing the length, here you can choose if you want capital letters, digits, symbols. And here you can also choose how many words you want. Here you can increase or decrease the words according to your own need. And here you also have this separate word width. You can separate them with hygiene, underscore, space. I will just go with space here. And similarly, here you can use the capital letters and digits if you want to. And after you are done, you can copy, generate and save that. And similarly, here you have this email masking, you can see that. And here you have this password health. And here you also have this database scanner. And these are the features available in the premium plan. Now here you can see the premium plans. Here you have monthly and yearly plans. You can see their monthly and yearly prices, and you can buy whatever fits you best. And this was all about how you can set up your NordPass and you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.